Now, Toolbox is a little right wing, but I kind of like him.
The only thing I know about Toolbox is for some reason, even though he's only been on the independent circuit for a short time period already, he's already got his own locker room.
I know. What is going on there? I have no idea. Hungry like the wolf. Wow.
Aren't we all? Just want you to know this is the first time in wrestling history anyone has ever come to the ring to Duran Duran.
No? Isn't there somebody else that does this song?
No one that I know.
Really? Oh. I thought Donnie B used this.
You're right.
Doesn't he? I'm looking for an 80s guy in polyester.
And the mock is too easy.
Yeah, I'm not even going to go there. You're right.
There's the bell ring.
Yeah.
These two a little cautious to lock up.
Girl. She's kind of cute. No?
Isn't that the ring announcer? Oh.
No.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, that's rough.
No,
that's rough.
Confusing. My bad.
Did you see the shirt that Toolbox came at? And I see the Polish colors are now pink and white.
Yes, they are. He salutes a different flag than we do, if you know what I mean.
Sure he does. Yeah.
You kind of have to like him, though.
That's along the line of the Busey thing. I'm not going to go there either.
And you get a clean break from Toolbox.
He might, like I said, he might be a little right wing, but he's got his act together. I'll give him that. Savage Payne, on the other hand. I see.
Who's got the more awkward tights?
I have no idea, but Toolbox looked outside. I think he saw a gentleman he might like in the front row. Savage Payne with a nice headlock.
Tackle. Nice drop down by Toolbox. Turns around. Oh, beautiful hip toss.
Got all that. Really dumped him that time. Really dumped him.
And an arm drag.
Beautiful.
Oh, a power body slam. Don't know how much power it took.
Oh,
and a flying drop kick by Toolbox.
He really got his act together.
The crowd booing Toolbox. Dorito D in the crowd. Crowd not taking too kindly to Toolbox.
You know, with the exception of his orientation and his ring wear.
What's not to like?
He's got it all together. I mean, you can't hate this guy. I mean, come on. I mean, I'd buy Girl Scout cookies from this dude if he rang my doorbell. Tell you the truth.
Oh, Toolbox pulls him in the hard way.
Don't say that word around Toolbox. All right?
Come on now, dude.
The very, very difficult way would be the proper nice elbow by Toolbox. What's he doing? Oh, he's posing. I'm sorry. I thought he was fixing his shirt. My bad. See if he can get him up for the suplex. He ought to. Oh. Savage Payne only weighs 7 pounds.
It was a close one. I knew he wasn't going to have him, though. I got to be honest with you.
Have him. There's another thing you really shouldn't be saying with him in the ring. I'll be perfectly honest with you.
Just make me a list for next show, all right?
You got to watch yourself with this guy.
Whips him in. Oh, it misses the elbow.
Ooh.
What's Savage Payne doing?
God only
Follows
knows.
it up with a kick.
To the far corner, reversal.
That move looks familiar.
Yes, you're right, Ken.
Toolbox excited to be there today in front of all these people in Spotswood.
And it shows.
Duke. A peculiar suplex. Not quite a gut wrench, but not quite a standard suplex. It was kind of a putt wrench, if you will.
Almost had him, though. Must have stunned him pretty good. He got him for a good 2.5 that time.
Maybe he was trying a jackhammer and just didn't have the power.
Probably not. Not a lot of power in that Savage Payne. Great technical wrestler, great high flyer, but when it comes to the power moves, see, he usually stays away from him. That's what I don't understand. He doesn't usually even try stuff like that. You know, very rare that you'll see him try to scoop somebody up, except if he tries a Savage Driver, which he usually.
Is this what he's trying now?
No.
Already?
No, he's going to dump him.
What's he doing? This could be dangerous. Savage Payne.
Why is he laughing at him? I mean, is he laughing at his tights too? Oh,
that was damn impressive. I kind of like that.
1, 2.
And a big kick out by
Barely gets out.
Toolbox. I can't say